ladies. Welcome to the final chapter of May is Menopause Month. I'm going to discuss treatments today. I'm calling this First Aid for Menopause. Let's face it, when our hormones are kind of hitting the fan, we need more than a Band-Aid, right? So I'm going to break this down into two categories: traditional therapy and then more natural and holistic therapy. Menopause and perimenopause can kind of be like puberty in reverse for us, right? We're experiencing hot flashes and mood swings, difficulty sleeping, and dryness everywhere. The good news is we have plenty of options for treatment. So let's start with traditional treatments because these are the ones that I think most women are familiar with. And these are the ones you come to us as physicians for. This includes estrogen and sometimes progesterone. And these treatments definitely treat all of the symptoms, everything from the dryness, the hot flashes, the mood instability. Now, these treatments, though, are not a one size fits all. They have to be kind of tailored to each specific patient. Make sure you discuss with your doctor the risks and the benefits of each type of therapy. Next is non-hormonal treatments. These are like some of the antidepressants and blood pressure medication that helps with regulating mood and the hot flashes. It's like using what you already have, but in a different and more creative way. Now let's move on to the natural and holistic treatments. Some of you have more of a yoga and tea vibe than patches and pills, and that's understandable. First on this list is going to be lifestyle. Yes, I know that sounds kind of boring, but here's the reality. Regular exercise does help improve your sleep and mood. And eating a balanced diet can help with regulating blood sugar so that we don't turn into the hangry dragon ladies. Next are certain supplements like black cohosh, evening primrose oil, and some of the soy isoflavones. Now, there are women who swear by these, and then there are women who just swear if it isn't right for them. And finally, on this list are things like meditation, um, acupuncture, and deep breathing. These will not do anything for the hot flashes, but definitely help women feel more relaxed. And that, of course, addresses the mood issue. This keeps you from necessarily snapping at your spouse or your kids because they were chewing too loud or breathing too hard. Another thing I would add, maybe we should think about making our own little menopause first aid kit. Include some fans in there, maybe some dark chocolate, and a couple of little humorous jokes that you can read to put a smile on your face. If you recall, the first week of this month, I said we do need to approach this with a bit of humor. Remember, ladies, menopause is not a crisis, it's just a transition. We're still fabulous. We're just fabulous with our own personal summers and a shorter fuse. Take care of yourself, ladies. I'll see you all next week.